How are you all? I'm Sutapaghosh once again back with a beautiful video where I'm going to show you my best graphite pencil work. For so many days I was receiving so many comments from my students, my admirers and my friends that you should work with graphites, and that's why I have used these outline pencils and these blenders for the first time. Okay, you might know these blenders very well, but I have used them very first time. See, all are in new conditions. Okay, and before I explain my portrait work, I want to show you the ultimate portrait work. Just have a close look. See, you may have a close look. Okay. So this is the portrait. Isn't it so beautiful? It took more than 20 hours to complete, so I cut it down to a few portion, and I'm going to explain how I have done it. Okay, so without wasting time, just start working with that. Okay, be with me. Hey my friends, one important portion. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe, cause I used to upload very interesting art videos, and if you want more such videos, then select the bell notification also, so that whenever I will upload my videos, you will get the notification. Okay, let's watch one once again. Hey my friends, so this is all about this video. If you like it, then please give a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel please. Yeah, it took so much of time to make art videos. If you are an artist, you must know the pain of an artist, right? And we deserve one subscription, right? So it inspire us, motivate us. Okay, so I'm eagerly waiting your subscription. And one more thing, tomorrow I will available with a beautiful artwork. So stay with me. Until then, keep drawing, keep sketching, and keep videoing. And let's grow attitude together. Till then, take care.